Community Affairs at Detroit's Medical Center, telling us they plan to start the second vaccination dose process this Friday. And she hopes it's going to set a good example to the community for what's to come.
We haven't seen or heard of any, horrible side effects, which I think lends itself to really help the community to understand that when it's their chance to get the vaccine, we really hope that everybody embraces this. We know
everyone should be diligent about taking precautions to limit the spread of COVID-19.
and Chicago Mayor city has distributed almost all of it, a lot of it, and they focus on a lot of things. Please continue to be diligent. Please get through the first couple of months. And we need your...
Sandra McNeil joining us live and local with more on this story. Sandra?
And Jason, now inviting public comment on this plan to turn the 1 mile long stretch of I-375 into a street-level boulevard and then stretch it all the way to the riverfront. And that's Rob Morosi says I-375 needs a lot of work and it's become too dated for the area. The freeway is carrying a lot of traffic to places like Ford Field, the Greektown Casino, and more. But
major stakeholders along the corridor were kept abreast every step of the way.
Now, the public can weigh in now online at michigan.gov/I-375. That's through February 19th. There will also be 2 public hearings toward the end of the month. Reporting live, Sandra McNeil, WWJ News Radio 950.
Car makers end 2020 on a strong note and end up posting some...
Yeah, still continuing here, Jackie and Jason, to monitor a crash. It's clearing out of the way, but now we have another crash and a stalled vehicle. First along northbound I-75, the better news after Holbrook. That collision out of the way. We have a new vehicle on the shoulder here, northbound M53 Van Dyke Freeway, just before M59. Traffic slow from Clinton River Road. Our wavers letting us know about that. Also on ways here, seeing a crash at Southfield Road in Mount Vernon in Southfield. And traffic is now slow through the intersection. Also, there's a AAA van and monitoring the right shoulder closure for this ongoing work. Eastbound I-94 shipper. That work is going to run through Friday. Now, as always, whatever you're delayed by, let us know on the traffic tipster line, 248-423-6WWJ. And the St. Joseph Mercy Health System Traffic Center, Tracy McCusker, WWJ News Radio 950. And the accident forecast now from Dino. After we see that still tower. And then I'm acting with the meteorology team aboard on WWJ near 950. Under cloudy skies, 34 degrees in Waterford, 33 in Utica. Right now it's 32 in Trenton, 32 degrees in the city of Detroit. Dependable, reliable, confident. Detroit's #1 news station. Radio 950 WWJ News. Gasoline demand in the U.S. will rebound this year on a gain of more than 16% from last year, which saw gas sales plunge by $100 billion to the lowest level since 2000. Now,